all and welcome back to my channel. As you can see in my background, this will be our topic for today. In my previous blog number 2, I featured about basic tutorial of Microsoft Edge. Today, I'll teach you how to use Microsoft Word. This will help you doing your tasks in school, especially if you are writing a letter or story, to make it more presentable. So before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe with my channel. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. There are 2 ways to launch MS Word. Using Tile, click the Start button. So this is the Start button. Just click it. And this is the Tile. Click Word. There you go. Number 2, using apps. Click the Start button, then click All Apps button. Click the Start button. So in my PC, hashtag serves as All Apps. I just click it and click W and click Word. Wait a minute, guys. So there you go. In MS Word, some of the parts are commonly seen in some other Microsoft apps, such as Excel, PowerPoint, MS Edge, and others.
Example, title bar. It displays the name of the program and file currently in use, like this one. This is the title bar, and this is the file name, document 1. It also has control buttons. Same with Microsoft Edge. It has save button, undo, redo, print preview, customize quick access toolbar, minimize button, restore down button, and close button. All of the functions of those buttons are all the same with what I had explained in basic tutorial in my vlog number 2, Microsoft Edge. Later on, I'll show you how to use it. It also has ribbon with different tabs, like this one. This is the ribbon. This is the File tab. This is the Home tab. This is the Insert tab. This is the Design tab. And many more. In every tab, it composes of different groups, like in Home tab. It has clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, styles group, and editing group. In every group, you can see different commands that you need to finish a certain task, like this one. In clipboard group, it has paste command, cut command, copy command. In font group, it has font size command, font color command, and many more. Example, in this blank page, I will write the word star. Then I will format the text. Highlight the text star. From font size 20, I will change it to 48. It changes, right? Next, font type. From Calibri body, I will change it to Algerian. Highlight the text first, and I will change it to Algerian. See? For font style, I'll make it bold. But first, highlight your text first. And then I will click bold. See? Then italic. The text becomes slanted. Then I'll change the font color from black to red. This is the font color. Highlight your text first, and then pick the color of your choice. For me, I want red. You can also do text highlight by clicking this command. I want yellow. Next, text effects. Click this icon. But first, highlight the text first. For me, I want reflection. Ooh, I want this one. See, it changes. For the font effects, it can be strike-through, subscript, and superscript. I will show you how. I will write first 2 additional words, like super at the start and like at the end of the word. I will write super. Oops. Then light here. Okay. So the word is super starlight. Now I will put strike through in the word star. I will highlight the word star and then click strike through. Then for light, I will change it to subscript. And then for super, I will change it to superscript. See? All of the words now has font effects. Next, alignment. These are the alignments. This is left, center, right, and justify. Highlight the word first. So for me, I will choose center. See? How about copying a text? Highlight, right-click your mouse, copy, and paste. See? Let's do it one more time. Paste. There you go. Next is line spacing between the text or paragraph. Under Home tab, Paragraph Group, this is the line spacing icon. Highlight the word first, and then click this icon. For me, I will choose 1.5. See? Next, moving the text. Under Home tab, Clipboard Group, use the cut icon. Example, I want to move this text. Highlight, then cut. Choose where you want to place the text. Me, I'll put my cursor here. Then click paste. Next, deleting the text. Highlight the word, then press delete key on your keyboard. See? How about inserting date and time? On the Insert tab, Text Group, click Date and Time icon. Then choose the format you like. For me, I want this one. Here, there you go. Next, header and footer. Under Insert tab, Header and Footer Group. Click Header icon. Then choose. For me, I want blank. Then type the header you want. Me, I'll write move. Next, footer. Insert tab, click footer icon. Then choose. For me, I want blank again. Then type the footer you want. Me, I'll write page 1. There you go. How about putting bullets? Under Home tab, paragraph group. Click the bullet icon. For me, I want this one. Let's try it again. Click the bullet icon and I want this one. There you go. You can also insert table, like this one. Go to Insert tab and then click Table. Click Insert Table. Number of columns, I want 4. Number of rows, I want 1. And then click OK. There you go. You can also insert shapes, like this one. Go to Insert tab, click Shapes, and choose. For me, I want circle. There you go. Let's choose another. I want heart. Let's change the shape color. For the heart, I want red. Shape outlines, I want yellow. Shape effects, I want glow. And this one. Same with the circle. I want black. For the shape outlines, I want red. For the shape effects, I want shadows. There you go. Now, let's group the shape. Click the circle shape. Then, press Ctrl key on your keyboard. Then, click the heart shape. Then, click Group icon. I want to put it here. There you go. Now, let's insert word art. Click Insert tab. And then, from the text group, click word art. For me, I want this one. Then type. For me, I want to type happy. There you go. You can also change the size. Go to Home, Highlight, then change the size. For me, I want 72. The last one is inserting a picture. Go to Insert tab, click Pictures, and then click this device. And then I want this one. You can also modify the picture by dragging the corner like this one to make it smaller. See? Every group has different commands and functions in title bar and ribbon. If there is title bar, there is also status bar in MS Word like this one. It has word count, proofing errors, views, and zoom control. Now, let's go how to set the document using a template. Example, you want to make a certificate. Click File tab, and then click New, and then choose. So let's say you want certificate, calendar, and resume. Next is margin. I will use this document. Click Page Layout tab, and then click Margins, and then choose. For me, I want normal. See? Next, Orientation. Still in Layout tab. Click Orientation. You can choose Portrait or Landscape. I'll choose Portrait. Next, Page Size. click this one. And then from A4, I will choose legal. There you go. Next, page background color. Click Design tab. This is the page background group. And then click Page Color command. Then choose color. For me, I want this one. For the borders, still in Design tab, click Page Borders. So, I want box. For the style, I want this one. And then for the color, I want red. For the width, I want this one. There you go. Now, let's check the different views of the document. Click View tab. These three icons are also the same in the three icons below. Example, read mode. The document will look like this one. Print layout. It becomes normal again. And for the web layout, it looks like this one. Now, let's save the document. Click File tab and then click Save As. Select a folder where you want to save. I want Documents. And then type the name, then type the file name. I want Star. And then hit Save. Now let's close the file and check. Let's go to the documents. Oh, there you go, Star. See? Now let's take a look when we preview the document. Click Print Preview. There you go. This is now ready for printing.
So that's it, guys, about the basic guide of how to use Microsoft Word. I hope you learned and like my video today. Please do subscribe. And watch my new posts every Wednesday. And remember, study first so we can do more. And let's build a community and make a difference one at a time. And ta-ta!